Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by locating the contact and confirming the record is correct. This prevents silencing the wrong person. Once you open the contact card, scan for the messaging and call options so you know where controls live. If you use multiple apps, decide which app's notifications you want quieted. Make sure Do Not Disturb and notification permissions are enabled in settings before you proceed, because those permissions let you apply exceptions to a single contact. Now you'll apply the per contact rule inside the app. Tap the notification or call preferences for that person and choose to silence or allow only emergency alerts. On many phones, you'll toggle a Do Not Disturb for this contact or set a custom notification tone to none. On others, you'll create a focus mode and add only allowed contacts. Once done, confirm the contact is listed in the exceptions or silenced list and test with a call or message. To finish, place a quick test call or send a message from that contact to verify notifications are silenced. If it still rings, make sure global Do Not Disturb or focus modes aren't overriding per contact rules and confirm the contact isn't in an allowed calls list. If settings won't save, remove then re-add the contact or recreate the focus profile and restart the device. This usually resolves permission glitches and ensures your single contact silence works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.